Is your laptop fan suddenly super loud, is constantly spinning even when you're not doing much? Yeah, that annoying fan noise usually means your laptop is working harder than it should. The good news is most loud fan problems are easy to fix without opening the laptop. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to reduce laptop fan noise and make your system run quieter in 2026. Let's fix it. First, check what's making your laptop work so hard. High CPU usage is the most common reason fans get loud. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager and look for apps using a high percentage of CPU. Sometimes apps keep running in the background without you realizing it. Close unnecessary programs like browsers, launchers, or update tools when you're not using them. Dust buildup blocks airflow, forcing the fan to spin faster and louder. Use compressed air to gently clean the vents and remove dust. If your laptop sits on soft surfaces, airflow gets blocked and the fan has to work overtime. Place your laptop on a hard, flat surface or use a stand for better cooling. High-performance power mode increases heat, which makes fans louder. Switch to balanced or recommended power mode for quieter operation during normal tasks. Too many startup programs keep your system busy right after boot, which triggers loud fan activity. Disable apps you don't need launching automatically. Outdated drivers can cause inefficient performance and unnecessary heat. Check for updates and install the latest system and driver updates. If fan noise still continues, adding extra cooling can help reduce fan speed. A cooling pad or elevating the laptop improves airflow and reduces fan strain, and that's how you fix loud laptop fan noise step by step. After these changes, your laptop should run cooler, quieter, and more efficiently. If this helped you out, stick around for more simple tech fixes. I'll see you in the next video.